In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Webflow on Windows 11. Webflow is a web-based tool, so there isn't a traditional installer like you'd see for desktop software. What we'll do instead is set it up to behave like a desktop app by creating a dedicated shortcut from your browser. This makes Webflow faster to open, cleaner to use in its own window, and easy to launch from your desktop, start menu, or taskbar. Start by opening your preferred browser on Windows 11 and heading to webflow.com. Sign in and make sure you're on your Webflow dashboard. Being on the dashboard helps the shortcut open to a useful starting point every time. If you're working in the designer or a specific project, that works too. The shortcut will remember the page you're on when you create it. Next, go to your browser's menu in the top right corner. On most browsers, that's the three dots icon. Click it to open the settings menu. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the options that relate to saving or installing a site. Depending on the browser, this may appear under labels like Save and Share, More Tools, Apps, or a Direct Install option. The wording can vary a little, but you're looking for the choice that lets you create a desktop shortcut or install the site as an app. Choose the option to create a desktop shortcut or install. If your browser offers an Open as window or Install this site as an app toggle, turn it on before you confirm. This makes Webflow open in its own clean window without the usual browser tabs and address bar, giving you that app-like feel. When prompted, you can rename the shortcut to simply Webflow to keep things tidy. Confirm to finish. Windows 11 will now place a Webflow icon on your desktop. You may also find it automatically added to your Start menu under Recently Added or in your list of apps. For quick access, right-click the new icon and pin it to Start or the taskbar. From now on, double-clicking that shortcut will launch Webflow directly, just like a native app. If you don't see the Create Shortcut or Install option right away, refresh the page, ensure you're signed in, and look again under Save and Share, More Tools, or Apps. Most Chromium-based browsers support this feature, so trying a different one can help if needed. That's it. Your Webflow install on Windows 11 is complete. You've got a clean, dedicated window, faster access, and a smoother workflow, all without a traditional installer. Enjoy building.